that the VLAN, that the port address will be the IP address, is connected to the IP address, so it's easy for us to set up now. So right now, again, I'm gonna click on switch, and then basically it's in the physical tab. What you need to do is click on the config tab, and then from here you see the clickable commands here, and then below are the equivalent iOS commands. So whatever we do here, we click and select, it actually is doing commands. Okay, and next laboratory or next exercise, what we're going to do is we're going to use purely the CLI. We won't use this, but for purpose of using the graphical user interface, we're going to use this part. So the port 11 is VLAN 1. So port 11. So when you click on 11, these are the properties of port 11. So basically, you have here the VLAN 1. And when you click the VLAN tab or drop down, what you see are the default VLANs. So the default VLANs that are present already in the switch is 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, and 1005. So these are special VLANs, but the default ones is the 1. So there are 3 VLANs that we made, VLAN 1, 2, and 3. So we already have 1. All we have to do is just add VLAN 2 and VLAN 3. Okay, so let's add. But for this one, we already have as VLAN 1, so we have okay. We'll just delete the VLAN number. Let's have it as 2, and then VLAN 2 is sales, sorry. So this has to be sales. Add, and then for 3, what's that? Production. Or okay. Anyway, we already have 1, so we don't have to the VLAN after this. Okay, for 1, 2, and then we have to set it as VLAN 1 is 12. For 13, it's going to be VLAN 2, 3. Click on 14, VLAN 3, 2, 17, VLAN 2. For 18, that's VLAN 1 already. Okay, we have that as VLAN 1. And finally, 19 as VLAN. Sorry, we have to change. This has to be VLAN 3. So let's go there. 19 is supposed to be VLAN. There. So there we go. So we're just going to wait for all of them to turn green. Okay, so everything is green. So when the ping have a successful VLAN 1 of, and then VLAN 1 of this to the VLAN 1 of this one, that's success VLAN. So VLAN 1 to VLAN 3 in progress, this should be failed. So that's what it's supposed. Another is failed also. 3 of this, watch. Let's try it again. From VLAN 2 to VLAN 2 of this one here, this should be successful, and it's successful. And how about this? VLAN 3 to VLAN 3 of this one here. This should also be successful. But VLAN 3 to VLAN 2 should not be successful. It should be failed. Okay, so that's it. But the point you create is the okay.